Hello guys, welcome to my channel Capturing Eyes. This is Jilan. I have a Redmi Note 7 brand new phone. I just need to open the seal and find out the the best phone in the current market today. So let's see, open the phone and find out what's there in that, the features. I just open the seal here just to see the phone is there or not while taking the delivery. Before getting into the opening this box, let me first see this, what is there in the information here. It's 4GB 64GB, a blue one which I have taken. Here it's a Snapdragon 660 processor which Xiaomi is providing for this Note 7, and a 6.3 full HD display, and it's a notch display which is like its complete screen is occupied with the resolutions. And rear camera is 12 megapixel and plus 2 megapixel, and you have a 4000 milliamps battery, and this is actually Xiaomi is claiming that this mobile this has a 4 type C charging, which is for the fast charging. And here you go, you have I think this is in this we have the cover, all this thing is there. This, when they're providing this, it's a transparent case cover here, which is good. You don't need to buy additionally. So I have taken the blue color, so they provided this one so that it looks good when so this is the features again mentioned on the phone. 660 Snapdragon processor, which is like one of the best processor for the gaming and as well as for the performance multitasking and all. And this display, rear camera, battery and all. And this is the color, it's a sapphire blue. Looks good, and I like the design here what Xiaomi is providing. There's a completely curvy design, cornering Gorilla Glass which is providing here. And in this it's mentioned clearly here, if you see do not insert or remove SIM card while mobile device is powered on. Some basic instructions on the mobile, so I'm gonna take it off, this one. And there's a battery details, model number, do not put it here. So let me open this also, take out the this stickers, a lot of plastic. Wow, looks very nice. Phone is really good, looks good. And before get into the switching on the phone, let me see the equipment provided by the Xiaomi. This is the USB charger. So this is the type C port, which is Xiaomi claims this is for the fast charging. I mean, in fact, I think this has a 5 volts adapter, power adapter, and also has a, let me see the SIM slots here. So this comes with I think one SD card, one nano, but Xiaomi should have actually given an additional slot here. So if you can keep a one nano SIM on one SD card, but they should have given additional slot for the 2 nano sims and one additional uh, SD card, so that it'll be good in this model, because this has a lot of features compared to the recent mobiles which is launched in Samsung or another other brands. So let me turn it on and let's see how the device looks like, the display and all. And meantime, I'll tell you one more thing I would like to tell, because the reason is just not about unboxing the phone. I would like to tell about the features of the processor, because as you guys know, most of them sorry this Snapdragon 660 is one of the best processor in the current market today. So I hope there's little battery on this. It comes with it actually competes with Samsung Exynos 7885 7885 and 7904 chipsets, because it's actually better than that. Sorry guys, the recording got turned off. I didn't notice that, so I was just recording and I was keep talking, and sorry for that. I just turned it on the phone and just did the basic settings which is needed, and for me it looks like a really nice display and a full HD display this is. And I'm gonna post the camera features also, but front camera here Xiaomi provided some 13 megapixel, and rear camera we have around I think 12 megapixel and 2 megapixel other camera. It's two cameras here, so which is comes with a 12 megapixel, which is 2.2 aperture. So in low light also you can take nice pictures because of the aperture, large aperture you have. One more thing is the battery is 4000 milliamps, which is very good for long lasting. I am hoping that this will come at least for 1 to 2 days, I think, easily, even with the nice games, and after using multitasking also, even you do that. It has a Android Pie version, which is 9 version, and this comes with a octa-core 2.2 gigahertz and 1.8 gigahertz processing performance and processing speed. That's it for now. I hope you like this video, so please do comment and subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed.